What if I told you that the ocean hides creatures more terrifying than any horror movie monster? More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, and in its darkest depths, evolution has created beings that look completely alien. Today on Astronics Official, we're diving into the top 10 scariest deep-sea creatures that actually exist. And trust me, number 1 will make you question reality. Let's begin. Despite its terrifying name, the vampire squid doesn't drink blood. But its glowing red eyes and webbed arms make it look straight out of a nightmare. It lives nearly 3,000 feet below the surface, where sunlight never reaches. Instead of ink, it releases glowing mucus to confuse predators. This small fish has the largest teeth in proportion to its body of any ocean creature. Its mouth is so big, it can't even fully close it. Yet it survives under extreme pressure, where most animals would instantly die. Known as the living fossil, this shark has existed for over 125 million years. Its jaw can extend outward in milliseconds to grab prey in total darkness. It looks less like a shark, and more like something from another planet. Cute, maybe. Creepy, definitely. Named after Disney's Dumbo because of its ear-like fins, this octopus lives deeper than most other octopus species. It floats like a ghost in the darkness. Ah! Often called the world's ugliest animal, the blobfish only looks strange when brought to the surface. Down below, under immense pressure, it actually looks normal. It's proof that the deep sea changes everything. This creature can have a leg span of up to 12 feet. Imagine something larger than a car, walking slowly across the ocean floor. It's the largest arthropod on Earth. You've probably seen this one. With a glowing lure attached to its head, it attracts prey in pitch darkness. What's even scarier? The males fuse permanently to the female's body. Yes, permanently. With 300 needle-like teeth and a body that resembles an eel, this shark looks prehistoric. Scientists believe it hasn't changed much. For millions of years. For centuries, sailors believed it was just a myth. But now we know. The giant squid can grow over 40 feet long. Its massive eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom, and it hunts in total darkness. This predator has transparent teeth, so its prey cannot see them coming. It can even produce red light, something almost no other deep-sea creature can see, meaning it can hunt invisibly. The ocean doesn't need aliens. It already has them. And this is only the beginning. The ocean remains Earth's greatest mystery. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe to Astronics Official for more dark documentaries and mind-blowing facts, because the truth is always deeper than you think.